Yeah, but I didn't know. Do I just click record again or just play? I didn't know which one, and then I chose the wrong one. Ish, no lotto for me tonight. All right. Um. All right. So that's that part. Now, can I give you guys a little bit of time again? Quickly see if you can do the sort. Is there something specific that you maybe want to try with this? Um, Tell me sort, search, add, delete. Are you guys good with them? You want to try one specific? Or then another option would be some calculations, like either the average or the total or something from the arrays. Yes, yes. We know we're having two for loops, so we put our I and j. We're gonna swap strings and other stuff actually. So we're gonna have a temp string. We're gonna need to have a, let's call it the s temp, and we're gonna need an I temp integer, and we're gonna need a R temp, which is real. Because everything we swap, we're gonna need temporaries for. Alright, so how this one works. So structure for sort, for if. So for I is 1 to q to begin. This q, if you wanted to, you could add a -1, but that's not crucial. Without it, it would still work fine. The -1 just makes it a little bit better. For j starts at I, so if you go I plus 1, that's again just efficiency better. But if you lose the -1 and the +1, it will still work fine. It's just efficiency. So your for, then your for, then your if. Then you're gonna check if I is greater than j. Yes, yes. And then so this one generally, if the first one is bigger than the second one, this is going to be ascending. If you go smaller than, it would be descending. But you don't need to remember that. Remember, just choose any one, run it, see what happens, and then you can just swap that around. But generally, your bigger than would go ascending, and smaller than goes descending. All right, then our temp is equal to our stem. Oh, stem. Stem. So our username. So you can put the I away. It doesn't matter which one, though, as long as you just swap them. So then it's our R username I. So we put I away. So then I must get the value of the one in position J, and then J can get the value of our S temp. All right, that's the first swap. Now we just need to do this with all four. You have to always do it with all four, because it doesn't make sense not to. That's why it's called linked arrays. They're actually linked together. So if you swap the one, you have to swap all the rest as well. So then we can go stemp again is our name I, then your R name I must get the value of R name J. Yes, talk to me. Yeah, so temp is literally what the word says. It's a temporary variable. So I'm going to use it there to swap. After I swap that, I don't care about this anymore. So now I can just give it a new value as well. And then just swap. So it's like, yeah, so it's, yeah, you put something in, then you're going to take it out. So then you can put something new in and then take it out again. So it just depends on your data types. The rest doesn't matter. So yeah, like now, if you've got two strings, you can reuse one. That's no problem. So put I in temp, then I will get the value of j, j can get the value of our item. And that one swapped, and then it's just our real temp must get the value of our r money I, r money I can then get the value of r money j, and then r money j can get rid of r temp. Alright, so that's literally just swap all three of them everywhere. Then we end. Just too many ends here now. So this is our if, this is our for loop, that's the other for loop. So when both of them are done, we just want to display again. Oh, and we didn't do a display. So I'm just going to take this piece. That's our display. So I'm just going to copy that. So we'll put it in there again. Only thing maybe to add is our display.clear. I say then this should hopefully sort it for us according to the usernames. Okay, let's sort. A, D, E, F, J, M, V, W. Yeah, perfect. Alright, any questions on our sort? So that is basically our sort. Yeah. I just copied and pasted. The only thing I did, I added a clear. But yes, I just copied and pasted what we had in the same display in the that we had in the read. Yeah. All right. Then I think, okay, generic buttons. I see time's gonna catch us a bit. We can maybe run through one more. So, do you want to suggestions either to maybe delete is generally difficult, or then a calculation button, either highest or lowest or total or average. Obviously, you can try all the rest, but yeah, for tonight. Oh, initial, yes. No, not Q, I. You run through, yes, you're gonna run through the array, so you're gonna use your whatever variable in your for loop, and you're gonna add all of them together. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Um. Yeah. All right. I also don't know. So I put some here. Highest, lowest. That you can also have maybe. So I'll put these ones. Maybe we can have a look at if you want to try any of these. And then Sunday we can go through if there was any issues on any of these ones. So let's say this could also be a average. Average could also be decent. Um, yeah. So with these ones you can sort of either work with the maybe work with the prices. Yeah. Or the money. The good options to work with. The delete we can maybe. Yes. Talk to me. Um, we can complete this program and then you can use it as a cheat sheet. So that we can do. So what I, especially those of you that wants to do this, what I would suggest, do all these buttons. Let me just see. So add is also another good one to have. Ugh. Add one. And then obviously another good one to have is the save button to save back to the text file. So save. So maybe I'll upload mine as it is, also for whoever. And then I want to suggest if you can try to do this before Sunday's class. And then Sunday, I'll quickly mark the ones that you guys struggled with. This should, if you can do this, then you should be fine with, because we're reading from text files, we're writing to text files. We are working with linked arrays, we're sorting them. We can even use a combo box. We're sorting, we're searching, we're deleting. So change is also not here. Highest, lowest. So these ones should be, because with the highest and lowest, just remember they sort of expect you not to sort it. So they want you to actually do it without sorting the array. Some people, they cheat it and they just sort it and then they just take the top one. And they know it's either the highest or the lowest. So, but generally, when they ask you this, they want you to do it without sorting it. These ones. And then obviously, if you can think of anything else you would like to do with them, we can have a look at that as well. But I think if you've got this, then this should be, there shouldn't be anything else. Let's just do this also. This is a button change. Oof. And then this should be change the sale. Change number of sales. So then what you can do with this one, you can work with a search, delete, and number of change. Use every time, use the combo box. So whichever one the person chose in the combo box, make that one, look for that one to display him, delete that one, or change the number of sales of that one. Yeah, I want to say if you can do these buttons, 2D arrays should be fine.